2 double defaults. Or maybe 1, I'm not sure. But yeah, we
It's
do
just
still
those
have.
3 things left.
Yes.
We're ready.
Mr. Torrey, if you can unmute yourself and come on camera. Okay.
It's cause number 2016-79574 in the interest of Ashton, Jeremiah, and Zachary Torrey. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr.
Can
Torrey.
you turn your volume up? We can't hear you really good.
Okay. Sir, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Ashton Torrey, and I'm the father in question.
All right. For the state.
Sharday Parker, Your Honor.
What are we doing today, Ms. Parker?
Your Honor, Mr. Torrey is requesting he's requesting a DNA test, although he's requesting a challenge in ALP, Your Honor.
For which child?
I believe it's for the last child.
Zachary Torrey? Is that
Yes, sir.
correct, Mr. Torrey?
Yes, sir.
You signed an acknowledgement of paternity when the child was born,
I did.
and now you think he's not your child?
Well, that's what she's told me. She has refused my custody rights. She hasn't allowed me to pick him up, and she told me that he's not mine. So when I asked her why, that's what she said. So.
Okay. But Ashton and Jeremiah, you have no doubt, correct?
I have no doubt. Jeremiah, she says, also may not be mine, but
But he looks like you.
yeah, he looks enough like.
Okay. Okay, the father's AOP challenge is granted DNA testing for the child, Zachary.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Michael, well, we have a resetting date, or you need to
Yes, we're
serve
gonna
Mom?
no, Mom has been served. We're gonna the reset date is May 6th, 2021, and we're just gonna have Mr. Torrey go back over to the Zoom where he came from to finish up with the person he was with over there.
Okay, the court will note that the custodial parent, mother, Elisa Maria Soto, is not present. She was served on August 20th, 2020 at 12:30 p.m. at 415 Carby Road, trailer 138 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. But she did not appear, so we're moving or we moved by default on this request. Okay, free to go.
Okay, Mr. Torrey, just go over to the other Zoom and Miss Luna is gonna send you the paperwork for you to sign to get the DNA test.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
The mother didn't file any answer on this case, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, she hasn't filed anything on this
Hasn't
case.
appeared or hasn't filed an answer, right?
Yes, hasn't appeared and has not filed an answer.
All right. We'll move on to the next matter. This is cause number 2015-39083 in the interest of Quindarius and Jermaine Walker. Please, all parties raise your right hands to be sworn, and please unmute yourself. Ms.
Ms.
Cooper.
Cooper. Ms. Cooper, press *6 to unmute yourself. Okay, she's unmuted, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand to be sworn, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Yes, sir. My name is Desiree LaShawn Cooper, and I'm the mother of Quindarius Jordan Walker and Jermaine Rashawn Walker.
All right, and for the state?
Carday Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent Andrew Darius Walker is not present. He was served on December 15th, 2020 at the Lyncher unit in Atascocita Road in Humble, Harris County, Texas. He has not filed an answer or appeared, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor,
Yes,
that's
sir.
correct.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state would like to call Desiree Cooper.
All right.
Ms. Cooper, under the prior non-agreed child support review order, suit affecting the parent-child relationship signed on August 25th, 2015, you were the person that was entitled to receive child support from Andrew Cooper, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And since that order, have you received any child support from Mr. Walker?
No, ma'am.
And you were also sent a copy. Were you given a copy of the FINA, were you shown a copy of the FINA, which is the financial report in this case, where it showed that no payments had been made?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, the state would like to enter the FINA, the financial record, into evidence.
All right. Do you have any objection to that, Ms. Cooper?
No, sir.
All right. State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
And Mr. Walker is currently incarcerated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long has he been incarcerated?
We don't speak, and
You know, ma'am?
If you don't know, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I don't know.
It's okay. And we're asking this court to confirm a child support judgment in the amount of $35,793.15 as of January 31st, 2021, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're not asking the court to set a payback amount at this time because he's currently incarcerated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're also asking the court to confirm a medical support judgment in the amount of $6,080.60 as of January 1st, 2021, correct? I mean, January
Yes, ma'am.
31st, I'm sorry, yes. And we're also not asking that a payback be set because he is currently incarcerated and will be for at least the next 90 days, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're also requesting that Mr. Walker's child support now be set to 0 because he is currently incarcerated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're requesting that his medical support be set to 0 because he is currently incarcerated and will be for the next 90 days, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Cooper, you're free to go.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Kavita, we can go over to the other side.
Did I pick it up?
Yes.